tutorial of Idol by BTS. Yesterday we went through the last 8 counts plus 1 8, like turn around, sit down and make a pose. If you know this song, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, so today we're gonna go through this last 8-9 counts. Please don't forget to post your dance videos with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so that I can see and share on my story. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna start with 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, pull to your side and bow. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Now at 8, we're gonna get ready. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Your legs. Your left heel in, right heel in. But obviously it's gonna be so fast, so if you wanna cheat on a little bit, you can. So 8. Now your left leg just put it front and then focus on only your right foot, right heel in. Now left front and right heel in. That's still okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your arms cross in front of you and make a big circle. 1, and bring your elbows up. Go. Yes. And then when you bring your elbows up, make a little accent. 1. Your chest goes in. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna add the neck as well. 1, 2. Tilt to the right. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8. Your legs. 1, 2. 1, 2. Left, right, left, right, left, right. And we're gonna add a little jump. Left, right, left, right, left, right. If you can kick both. Right. But again, it's gonna be so quick, so you can touch your heels on the ground. Still 1, 2. And then step to the right and kick. We're gonna bring up our right leg up. Kick to the left and then make a big circle in front of you. Okay. 1, 2, step, kick. One more time. Left, right, put your weight on your right, and we're gonna jump and jump. Okay, your arms, left, right, and jump. Same things, your elbows come up, up, step, and jump. 7, 8. Now we're gonna do jump, but it's gonna be fast. So 7, 8, and 1. At end, we're gonna be in the air, and at 1, we already landed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Now we're gonna do 2, 3, 4. Your right leg. 2, 3, 4. Your upper body. Right, right, right. And your arms. Again. 1, 2. Make a big circle. 2, 3, 4. We're gonna land it at 1, 2, 3, and at 4, close to your body. Okay. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so let's start with here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna do and 1, 2, switch 3 and 4. This one we're gonna start with and. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And ready? 1 and 2. swing, 3 and 4. Your legs, again, start with your left, and 1, put your weight to the front, switch, 3 and 4. Your arms make a big circle from the front, and 1, 2, switch, 3 and 4. Now we're gonna go down, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna hold, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can face either way. You can face this way, or front, or back. Either way is fine. I'll start with here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, switch, 3, and down, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're gonna say, "Why?" in the song. So, imagine that you became a bomb. And we're gonna hold, 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 hold. And at 1, explode. Yes, when you explode, at 1, we're gonna clap your hands and just turn around. Woo! So, let's start with here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, switch, 3, and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we are halfway. Let's start with here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kick and jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, explode. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we came here, 8, and we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one, 8. We clap your hands, 8, and step to the right, tilt to the right a little bit, and we're gonna do this in, 3 times. Your right shoulders, front row, 1, 2, 3, and extend. Your left arm, just leave it here. 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, when you extend your right arm, your left hand on your hip. And the next one, your left shoulders go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, and to the left, and 8 down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are down, right? And step with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your left legs step, your right front, now your left back, now your right back. Your body, low, low, up, up. Your hands, it's gonna draw with number 8. Go in and out and flip, flip. Now we're gonna go all together. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're actually gonna do only twice. So step front, and then put your right foot in your front, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your hands flip in, 3 times with your left. Your legs just step, step, step. It's not like jumping, but it's more like moving forward. Okay. Step by step. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna do kick. You kick. Jump with your right and kick. Karate kick. And 1. Yeah, and your arms. Start with your left to the right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna come back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Until here it's same. Now we're gonna do another kick. Your arms are still same. It's like a wiper of the car. From the left to the right. And we are going to kick with your left legs. Ho! And hook to the back. And turn around. And you're gonna sit down. 5, 6, 7, 8. And at 1, we're gonna 1. A little explode. And then make a pose. Alright. And that's it. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. Kick. 5, 6, 7. Step to the left. 2. Up. Up and jump. Jump. Left kick. And cross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Woo! Let's start with here. And then we're gonna go a little bit faster. Alright. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, right, up, up, stand, 5, 6, down, and 1, 2, kick to the right, left, and left, step, 2, 3, step, 5, 6, kick to the left, cross, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Alright, let's start with here with the count. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Explode. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step back and left. 2, 3, kick. 5, 6, 7. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left kick. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. Alright, last one we're gonna do a little bit faster. I'm just gonna count only the numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. We usually have this K-pop workshop in Arizona every Thursday from 8 to 9 p.m. Please give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and follow my social media. Also, if you guys have any song requests, please comment below. Alright, thank you guys so much and see you next week. Bye! 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2.
Make your way to the side.